Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2, real quick video. I found that I was watching the video. I thought, there's probably a better way. So here's what we're starting with. I'm going to draw a square. I'm going to go ahead and rotate it 45 degrees and I'm going to hit P. I did pretty good. But if you will take and hold down the shift key, which will make it grow from the inside out till it touches those points. Now we're going to nudge that over a couple times and we're going to turn it back to 0. And I am going to take a 2-point line, didn't do very good there, and I'm going to have it, well, not long enough, make it longer. I'm going to have it snap to the center of that. I'm going to hit the plus key, I'm going to rotate that 90 degrees. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool that happens to be on gray, which doesn't really matter. So I'm just taking my left arrow key. I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. I'm going to group these together, Control G. Now you still need to figure out what size, and by doing that, now I can contour them all at the same time to the inside. I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. The contour is still in that shape. We can now, let me nudge it down and over, and let's rotate this 45 degrees. And then nudge it over and up to our rectangle. There are your 4 squares equally spaced apart. They could possibly be a little bit bigger, but not much. And you could change your contours to something less. Let's just do that real quick. We've got this. Let's go contour 0.05. Go up to Object, break the contour apart. As we did in a group, they're still in a group, so we can move that down and then rotate it that 45 degrees. Let's go ahead and take away these and nudge these over and up. They are square and they're pretty good. A lot faster than the other way, a lot less figuring out. And then you would just do what I did in part 1 to finish it out. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.